Hi guys, Adam here and welcome back to another video in Adam's Toyland. Today I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic Burmese python. This Burmese python Wild Republic stuffed animal is probably one of my coolest Wild Republic snakes yet. Okay, so the color scheme of this Wild Republic Burmese python stuffed animal is dark brown, light brown, a kind of peach yellowish color, white for the underbelly, black for the tongue, and a lot of, that's it with the colors. And there's this cool, like, spotted pattern that runs down the back of the snake. It kind of looks like that pattern of spots kind of reminds me of the spots of a giraffe. This Burmese python's eye has lines in it, so that is pretty cool. So another Wild Republic that has that trait, not just this Burmese python, is that Wild Republic is Swamp Snap the alligator. Okay, so one more thing before we move on to the main part of the video, which is the Burmese python information, is that this Burmese python Wild Republic has the exact same tag as my blue and gold macaw named Blue Gold. Burmese pythons are native to Asia through eastern India, through Vietnam, and southern China, and Burmese pythons are native to other Asian countries as well. Burmese pythons eat mostly small mammals and birds, but exceptionally large pythons will go after larger prey items such as pigs or goats. Because of their large size, adult Burmese pythons have few natural predators, with alligators and humans being the exceptions. I think the most famous and infamous fact about the Burmese python is that the Burmese python is a very bad invasive species in Florida. How did Burmese pythons get to Florida from Asia, you may ask? So, I think the most likely scenario is that Burmese pythons were actually, well, people actually had little Burmese pythons as pets, but as they grew bigger and longer, they actually couldn't take care of them anymore and released them into the wild, not knowing the negative impact they'll have on the natural Florida ecosystem. So that's one of the big reasons why you shouldn't release your pets into the wild. An adult female Burmese python lays 50 to 100 eggs a year. So, with no animals hunting them down in the Everglades, the Burmese python has quickly turned into the invasive predator and took over the Everglades. And because of the Burmese pythons, the Everglades raccoon, opossum, and bobcat populations are rapidly declining because of the pythons eating them. How are people going to control the Burmese python population in Florida? Well, alright, so the conservationists that live in Florida are trained to capture and relocate as many pythons as they can. And some people actually kill Burmese pythons. So, there's actually no hunting license needed to hunt Burmese pythons in the Florida Everglades. But unless the exception is no using firearms or traps. So, yeah. it is actually perfectly it's actually helping the Florida ecosystem to get rid of as many pythons as possible and find a way to get them back to Asia where they belong. And so, yeah, I don't see a way to get them all back to Asia. The pythons have grown their population so huge that it got out of control quick. Burmese pythons may reach a length of 26 feet long and have a weight of more than 200 pounds. Burmese pythons are one of the 5 most largest snakes in the world. Burmese pythons have a lifespan of 20 years, and the oldest living python was recorded to be 28 years. Wow. Just like other python species, Burmese pythons are not venomous, but however, they do kill their prey in a different way. Constriction. That means they wrap themselves around their prey and then squeeze them until they suffocate and die, and then they have their meal. And then another thing that all python species, I think, have in common is that they have large sharp teeth in their mouths, and they bite to defend themselves. There are 3,000 species of snakes in the world. Wow, that is a lot of species. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic Burmese python a 10 out of 10. I recommend emailing this animal if they like the Burmese python, Wild Republic, pythons, invasive species, animals that live in Asia, and snakes. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below. And to subscribe, click on the picture of Baby Blue the Velociraptor to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving Burmese pythons. See you later. Bye.